perfect summer dish for your next summer bash. Grilled corn salad with pepino melon, fresh basil, a tangy mustard vinaigrette. You're gonna grab your corn and you're gonna shuck it, oil it, cook it 10 to 15 minutes so that you can get a nice char on it. Charring the corn creates something called the Maillard reaction. It's a chemical reaction between amino acids and reducing sugars that gives the grilled corn its distinct flavor. The way that you can't get by just boiling the corn in water. Cover it, plastic wrap, 10 minutes. And I'm gonna be using something called Pepino Melon. This is a sweet, rounder, oval-shaped fruit. It has a refreshing flavor that combines the taste of cucumber and melon. Dice the melon. These are baby sweet peppers. It adds a nice sweet flavor to the corn salad. Slice and chop your tomatoes. We chop 1 jalapeno. And let me tell you, don't be afraid of the jalapeno. The heat in a jalapeno is called capsaicin. Capsaicin binds to the receptors in your mouth that senses heat and pain, which is why eating jalapenos, you feel like your mouth is on fire, burning your mouth. The fiery heat of jalapeno is mainly concentrated in the seeds and in the pith. If you want to reduce the heat, then remove the seeds, remove the pith. This way you'll get a mild heat without the intense burn in your mouth. Dice 1 red onion, cut the corn off the cob, mince 3 garlic cloves. Grab your basil, stiffen it. Make a basic vinaigrette, and that's it for our grilled corn salad. Sweet melon makes this dish a real summer standout. Let me know in the comments below how it turns out. The more you know.